Ay, finally. Alam mo yung feeling na nakasettle ka na sa abroad? My goal on my first year was just pasahin ko lang yung anarkenong or yung recognition as a nurse. Yung nakakaiyak yung language, ang bibilis nila magsalita, iba-iba pa yung accent, and you would really question kung tama pa yung decision ko. Dagdagan pa yung culture na ibang-iba sa atin sa Pilipinas. Sobrang prangka, sobrang direkta magsalita na feeling mo, ikaw na naman lagi yung mali. Di ka makasunod sa kwentuhan, tinatry mo naman i-adjust yung tenga mo sa kanila, pero ang ihirap, bakit ba ganito kasi dito eh? But eventually, it will get better pala. Eventually, makakapag-adjust ka din pala. One sign na nakapag-adjust ka na sa Germany bukod sa yung panaginip mo translated na sa Deutsch, charot, is na-gets mo na yung behavior nila, alam mo na yung mga ginagawa nila. Bakit gusto nila yung mga summer houses? Yung parang walang kapaguran pag mahabang lakaran, yung nag-crave sila ng nature at katahimikan. Okay din pala yung ganitong buhay.
Ano, chicken manok at may pork babo.
Sino nag-marinate? Si Aling Penny.
It actually started nung third year ko dito, no? Nung slowly nagkaroon na ako ng sarili kong apartment. Ayun, paunti-unti, I was able, kumbaga, to build my own life dito sa abroad. I have my own routine na, I have my own circle na. It had been my realization this past few days, no? Kumbaga dati iniiyakan mo lang talaga na iba yung language, iba yung culture nila dito. Parang of course you feel different, you feel strange kasi hindi naman to yung kumbaga nakalakihan natin sa Pilipinas. First time ko actually sa ganitong summer house and maganda din pala. I think sa una, no, especially on your first 2 years sa Germany, busy ka lang talaga mag-survive. Mag-survive sa language, sa culture, at sa bagong pamumuhay. So naturally for me, I didn't think about yung mga ganitong experience kasi hindi to yung priority ko. Okay din pala. It's a different way of living din pala.
Hindi na aray.
Low calories.
Invento. So much. Tita Penny. Uy, ang sarap. Pero na-try na namin yan. Wow.
Ang sarap naman ang buhay ng ganito, guys.
You know what Alexander's favorite?
So we haven't forgotten.
Kasi mas maganda. Sino ka?
Wow, can you see that?
Sarap.
Totoo na, when you learn a new language, it's as if you learn a new identity or you meet a new version of yourself. Kumbaga, you kind of have two different lenses on how you see yourself and the world, no? And learning a language is not just about kasi learning new vocabularies or learning how to say things, but each language kasi carry its own memories, emotions, cultural assumption, humor, and even social personalities. So, kumbaga, I do speak direct with my German version of myself, but then I can be playful if I speak with my Filipino version of myself. So it feels like discovering a different version of ourselves that didn't exist in our first language. Parang at first, it's kind of strange feeling of switching from one identity to another. And then you start doing or borrowing yung mga expression nila, their gestures, and even their way of thinking. And it may get to a point wherein you ask yourself na, ito na ba talaga ako? Parang, is this the real me? Ganyan.
And slowly, everything feels more familiar now. Alam ko na yung mga buses and train connections even without looking sa Google Maps. Nagets ko na yung mga humor at joke din nila. The words comes out naturally without having the need to rehearse yung translation sa isip ko. I have a favorite spot, go-to cafe, my own circle, and that strange feeling na kala ko bakasyon kasi it doesn't feel home slowly becomes my ordinary days, my normal days na. Finally, nakasettle na ako. Ganito pala yung feeling.
Di man? Ang tamis!
Alis yung ano. Ay, oo, nahulog. Ay, ano yan?
Dati ayoko ng cherry. Kasi di ba yung natitikman natin na cherry sa Black Forest cake halimbawa, galing lang naman sa sa canyon. Tapos hindi naman siya kasarapan. Pero yung totoong cherry na really coming from the tree, fresh, ay, napakasarap pala. Ayun.
I came to realize that identity is something not fixed na talagang dapat ganito ka lang, but rather we evolve. So kumbaga, if you had your past relationships, no, di ba sometimes you get personality or character sa mga exes mo. All of those, kumbaga, feels like para siyang puzzle and it makes you who you are as a person that you are today. That's what I feel now when it comes to being bilingual, when it comes to learning a different language. Being bilingual allowed me, kumbaga, to expand the boundaries of who am I just allowed to be. So, kumbaga, I have met different versions of myself na marunong na guys magreklamo, who can express and say what's on my mind, who know what is fair and not, and also know what is my own right. So, having that new identity doesn't mean na parang you are replacing your old self or your old identity as a Filipino. No, but it's just expanding, it's just evolving. It gives us more ways, kumbaga, to express ourselves. So, yun lang yung mga realization ko na finally, I feel more settled dito sa Germany. So, thank you so much for being with me today. This has been Odyssey. I'll see you in the next.